Morning class. Today the topic is variable. Firstly, we understand what is variable. Variable are the named memory location used for storing the data in memory locations. Variables are the named memory location used for storing the data in memory locations by the specific name. Variable are the named memory location used for storing the data in memory locations by specific name. A variable can store only one value of any type. The variable can store only one value of any type and maybe change the value during the program execution, and they are mainly two types. First is local variable and the second one is global variable. Firstly, we understand what are local variables. Local means within a function. The scope of variable within a function means in C and C++ language, variables are defined with or inside a function. If variable are declared inside a function and there is no scope of outside the function, then these variables are called local variables. If variables are declared inside a function and having only scope within the function, not outside the function, known as local variables. We can understand this thing by an example. We take an example of local variable. Firstly, we declare a function that is sum and take two variables a and b. After that, we take a variable that is in C and C equal to a plus b, return C. Here a, b and c are the local variables. Here a, b and c are the local variables. A, b, c are the local variable. Now we understand what are global variables. Global variables are not declared inside any function body. They are declared above the main and below the header files, and these variables are accessed by all functions, whereas it is main function or any user defined function. So, what are global variables? Global variables are those variables which have scope in whole program and it is not declared inside the function and declares above the main function. So they have scope in whole program. Now understand the global variable. Firstly, we return the header file. After that, we make our variable, that is int a, data type variable name. After that, we create main function, body of name, statements. So this type of variable is known as global variable. This type of variable known as global variable. Now we understand what are scope operators. What are scope operators? What are scope operators? When we define the two same name variables in a manner like local variable and global variable, then we access the global variable with the help of scope operator. When we access global variable, scope operator is used. Now we understand with an example, that is hash include iostream.h. You can use iostream.h or you can use hash include stdio.h. After that, if you want to return the another file, that is hash include conio.h, then we create a function, then we create variable, data type variable name, that is int a, that is global variable. After that, we write the main function, then open the body of the main, then declare another function, that is the variable, that is local variable. This variable is called global variable and this variable is called local variable. If we want to give the value, then you give the value. If you don't want to give the value, then you write that. After that, if you want to print, then return printf. In C++, we return cout. Printf the value of local variable %d, comma a, the value of global variable. Now we use scope operator with global variable. Thus we print the value of local variable and global variable in a program with the help of scope operator. We have already given PDF of this topic. Thank you, class.